Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to private LinkedIn profile. So basically I will show you how you can hide your LinkedIn profile from everyone very easily. On the top left side corner you will see your profile icon, tap on it, and here you will see just click on view profile. On the top right now you will figure out there is a settings gear icon, again tap on it. And here it will just load for a few seconds. So here you will find the option of visibility, right? So here you have to just find. So guys, as you can see here, I'm not able to find the visibility option. So if it is same for you, you have to just go back, again tap on your profile icon. Now here you will see the settings gear icon. Now here you will find the option of visibility, tap on it, right? And once you're here, you will get this option, edit your public profile. Again click on it, and here basically you will get this option of edit visibility. Your profile is public visibility, it is right now off. So only if I just turn it on, you can see here that my account has been changed and it is now a public account. To turn it off, I have to just make sure it is off right now. So this is how you can just make your account or hide your LinkedIn profile from everyone. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.